you doing here?
How is it going? I'm meeting up with a friend here.
How have you been, man?
Not too bad. I'm still at school and having a little fun.
How are you enjoying Mr. Lee's history class?
It's so boring.
Tell me about it. If it wasn't a requirement, I wouldn't have taken it.
How about you? What have you been up to?
I finished school last spring, but now I'm searching.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to English Fluency Center YouTube channel. Muraho neza mwese, muhawe ikaze kuri YouTube channel yitwa English Fluency Center. This is your English teacher, Dieu Uwingabiye from Rwanda. Muri kumwe na mwarimu wanyu w'Icyongereza, Dieu Uwingabiye, uturuka mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda. Today I'm going to teach you regular speaking basics. Uyu munsi ngiye kubigisha iby'ibanze byagufasha kuvuga mu gihe gihoraho Icyongereza. Our topic for today is small talk. Uyu munsi insanganyamatsiko tugiye kuvugaho ni ibiganiro bigufi. Let's get started. Mureke tujye mbere. Small talk, 2 example dialogues. Ibiganiro bigufiya muri dialogue cyangwa se ibiganiro bya babiri bibiri. Hi Mary. Uraho Mary. Ka Maria. Oh, hi. Oh, uraho. How are you doing? Amakuru yawe. I'm doing great. How about you? Ni meza. Wowe se? Not too bad. The weather is great, isn't it? Ntabwo ari ikibazo cyangwa ntabwo ari bibi. Ikirere gisa neza, sibyo? Yes, it's absolutely beautiful today. Yego, rwose uyu munsi harasa neza cyane. I wish it was like this more frequently. Nifuzaga ko hamera gutya inshuro nyinshi. Me too. Nanjye nuko.
So, where are you going now? Ubusugiye hehe?
I'm gonna meet a friend of mine at the department store. Ndaza guhura n'inshuti yanjye ku mangazini cyangwa ku maduka manini. Gonna do a little shopping? Ukaba ugiye guhaha ibintu bikeya? Yeah, I have to buy some presents for my parents. Yego, ngomba cyangwa mfite kugurira impano ababyeyi banjye. What's the occasion? Habaye iki? It's their anniversary. Ni isabukuru yabo. That's great. Well, you better get going. You don't wanna be late. Ibyo ni byiza cyane. Byaba byiza ubaye ugenda kuko udashaka gukererwa. I'll see you next time. Nzabonana nawe ubutaha. Sure. Bye. Yego, urabeho. Kiganiro cya kabiri. Dialogue 2. Hi, my name is Josh. It's a pleasure to meet you. Komeraye, nitwa Josh. Ndanezerewe guhura nawe. Hi Josh, I'm glad to be here. Komera Josh, nezerejwe no kuba hano. Did you have any problems finding this place? Hari ibibazo waba wagize uri gushaka hano hantu? I didn't have any problems. Nta bibazo nagize. I found directions on internet, so it was pretty easy to find. Nashakishije amerekezo kuri interinete, rero byaroroshye cyane kuhabona. However, the traffic was not that great. Ariko rwose ambutiyaje ntago yari nziza. Traffic is not good around here. Ambutiyaje hano ntabwo iba nziza. I agree. Ndabyemeye. It would be great if there was a train or a subway line that went through here. Aba byiza habaye hari inzira ya gari ya moshi cyangwa metro cyangwa inzira y'abanyamaguru ica munsi y'ubutaka yaciye hano. That would be so great. Ibyo byaba ari byiza cyane. I would definitely take that train if they had it. Rwose natega gari ya moshi babaye bayifite. Trains are great because you can read a book or take a little rest instead of having to fight the traffic. Yego, gutega gari ya moshi nibyo byiza cyane kuko ushobora gusoma igitabo cyangwa se ugafata akaruhuko gatoya mu cyimbo cyo kuba urwana na mbutiyaje. Very true. Ibyo ni ukuri rwose. Well, let me begin by telling you about our company. Rero reka ntangire nkubwire iby'ikigo cyacu.
Hey Paul, what are you doing here?
How is it going? I'm meeting up with a friend here.
How have you been, man?
Not too bad. I'm still at school and having a little fun.
How are you enjoying Mr. Lee's history class?
It's so boring.
Tell me about it. If it wasn't a requirement, I wouldn't have taken it.
How about you? What have you been up to?
I finished school last spring, then now I'm searching for a job. I'm kind of slacking off.
I heard the job market is not that hard right now.
I could always take a low-end job, but I'm not that desperate yet.
Well, good luck to you.
Thanks, it was good seeing you.
Yeah, I'll catch you later.
Have a good night. You are John, right?
Yes. Oh, you're in my English class, right?
Yes, I'm Martha.
Well, it's finally good to meet you.
How are you enjoying the class?
I'm not sure. Some days seems okay, but other days I'm totally bored in class.
I know what you mean. Do you know what's wrong with the weather these days? I haven't seen the sun in 2 weeks.
The weather has been pretty terrible recently.
I'm really hoping the weather gets better.
Do you have something coming up?
To tell you the truth, it's just depressing seeing so much rain.
I don't blame you. It has been pretty gloomy for some time now.
This is my stop. I'll see you later.
I'll see you in class. Bye.
Bye.